Hello and welcome back, everybody. In today's video, we are going to guide you through the process to create up a channel in Telegram. So if you're also looking how to do so, it is pretty quick and easy. You may just head over and follow up these steps for that, and you should be able to do it easily. Open up the Telegram application for that, and once you open up the Telegram, this is the chat tabs that will appear on your screen once you are logged in. So what you can do is you can basically look out for the message icon, the pen icon in the bottom right corner of your screen, and tap on it. When you do, you will be taken with this page. You can just go over and tap on continue and select this option of new channel here. So tap on allow and you can tap on this option called new channel. And once you select this option new channel, you can basically follow up the process instructions given in the screen. So tap on create channel, and once you tap on create channel, all you gotta do is provide in your channel name. After that, you need to provide in your description, so what kind of channel it is. I'm just gonna type in tech. After that, all you gotta do is basically look out for the right option, the check mark option or the next button in the top right corner, and select it. And once you select it, you can select whether you want to create a public channel or a private channel. You can choose up your channel type, public or private. After that is done, you can just go over and tap on this right option at the top. And all you gotta do is add up contacts. You can add up one and tap on send. And when you do, you will be finding the channel being available like this on your screen pretty easily. And that is how you create up a channel and tap. You can add subscribers from your contacts or skip, and that's it. So this is one of the easiest method you can follow up to do so. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.